all be pretty casual there.
That is the most lovely thing. But he's got patches of pattern on.
Yeah, he's got little patches of brown.
But they're not very regular, are they? It's not really making a pattern. It's calming down a bit now. It's going on the hut. Yeah, there's something starting to happen there.
Look at the speckles on him.
Is it what? Speckles.
The speckles.
Yeah, speckles.
Yeah.
He's actually a bit muddy at the moment. He was cleaner before. He's got a bit of crud on him.
He pooped on himself.
He does have a red tongue.
Wouldn't you have a fit if you saw that in the wild? You'd just fall over.
He's pink inside his mouth with a red tongue.
Yeah.
It's always good how your iPhone shows you things about a second after they are where they are.